Welcome guys on Infotainment by Zaki YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon and like, share love. Here are some fascinating and fun facts about dragon fruits. Dragon fruit, also called pitaya or pitahaya, is a tropical and subtropical fruit that is produced by several different cactus species. You'll recognize it by its bright red or purple exterior with scaly spikes and its yellow, purple, or white interior flecked with black seeds. There are two varieties, one more sour and one more sweet. Sour pitaya is found throughout Central and South America. Sweet pitaya varieties, which taste similar to a cross between a kiwi and a pear, include the iconic red-skinned, white-fleshed fruit as well as the purplish/reddish one that lends its hue to the Instagram-famous smoothie bowls and superfood powders. Fun facts about dragon fruit. Harvesting this fruit is a tricky business. The cacti have thorns, and some yellow dragon fruit have spiky thorns as well. It is advised that you wear gloves while harvesting. Dragon fruit is also known as a strawberry pear. What to look for when buying dragon fruit? Unripe dragon fruit is green. For a ripe fruit that is ready to eat, look for red or yellow skin, depending on the variety. Skin should be bright and even colored with no or few dark spots. It should be ever so slightly soft to the touch, but not mushy, and the spikes or wings should be starting to turn brown and dry. Of course, you can buy underripe fruit and let it ripen on your counter, but it only ripens slightly after they have been harvested. The sustainability of dragon fruit. Dragon fruit plants, being cacti, do not require a lot of water. They are susceptible to pest infestation, but chemical-free measures, like netting or plastic bagging the fruit, are often effective prophylactics. In shopping for dragon fruit or dragon fruit products, choose organic options to avoid exposure to potentially toxic agricultural applications. Seasonality. In Hawaii, South Florida, and Southern California, the fruit is available late spring through early fall. Geography. Pitaya is indigenous to Central and South America and is now cultivated and enjoyed more widely throughout Southeast Asia, India, Australia, the Caribbean, and in the southernmost parts of the U.S., Southern California, South Florida, and Hawaii. The largest commercial producer of pitaya is Vietnam. Eating dragon fruit. Storing. Store whole dragon fruit at room temperature, where it will keep for several days. If you'd like to slow its ripening, place the fruit in a plastic bag and store it in the fridge. Once you've cut into the fruit, keep any leftovers covered in the fridge. Cooking. Dragon fruit is mostly enjoyed fresh on its own. Can be used raw in fruit salad or salsa, in smoothies or smoothie bowls, and in refreshing drinks like the Malaysian dragon fruit lemonade. Cooked recipes include a jelly dessert, sort of like Jell-O, or using the fruit in baked goods like cakes, muffins, and more. Preserving. Dragon fruit doesn't last long after harvesting, so preservation is a great way to extend its life. Making things like dragon fruit preserves, jam, and compote are the best way to go since the fruit doesn't freeze or dehydrate well. Nutrition. Pitaya gets a lot of attention for being a so-called superfood, but what does that really mean? Like a lot of other fruit, it is low-fat, high in fiber and packed with vitamins and nutrients. It also has a lower sugar content than some other fruit. And fascinating facts about dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is distinguished by its bright pink skin and green scales. Fruit's flesh is white or pink with black seeds. Dragon fruit is high in antioxidants and vitamins while being low in calories and fat. Dragon fruit is a rare and exotic fruit native to Central and South America. Pitaya, or strawberry pear, is another name for dragon fruit. It belongs to the cactus family and grows in tropical climates. Dragon fruit is distinguished by its bright pink skin and green scales. Fruit's flesh is white or pink with black seeds. Dragon fruit is high in antioxidants and vitamins while being low in calories and fat. The facts. Dragon fruit is native to Central and South America. Scientific name for dragon fruit is Hylocereus undatus. Dragon fruit belongs to the cactus family. Dragon fruit is also known as the pitaya or the strawberry pear. Dragon fruit tree can grow up to 20 feet tall. Dragon fruit flowers only bloom at night. The average dragon fruit weighs about 6 ounces. Dragon fruit is a good source of antioxidants and vitamins. Dragon fruit is low in calories and fat. Dragon fruit is used in many different cuisines. Dragon fruit health benefits. Dragon fruit is a tasty and nutritious tropical fruit with a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the most important advantages of eating dragon fruit. Dragon fruit contains a high concentration of antioxidants, which can help to protect cells from damage and improve overall health. Dragon fruit's fiber content can aid in digestive health and regularity. It's also high in vitamins C and B, which are necessary for immunity, skin health, and energy levels. Potassium content of dragon fruit can aid in the maintenance of normal blood pressure levels. Lycopene, found in dragon fruit, is thought to have cancer-fighting properties. Grow dragon fruit tree at home. Dragon fruit plants are relatively simple to grow at home, and they can be propagated through stem cuttings or seed. You can direct sow dragon fruit seeds outside if you live in a tropical climate. Start your seeds indoors about 6 weeks before the last frost date if you live in a temperate climate. Transplant your seedlings into individual pots filled with well-draining potting mix when they are about 6 inches tall. Place your pots in an area that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. During the growing season, water your plants regularly and apply a balanced fertilizer every few weeks. Once established, your plants will produce clusters of beautiful flowers that will eventually give way to delicious fruits.